In the world of business software, finding the right tool for your specific needs can feel like navigating a vast and complex maze. Each platform promises to revolutionize your operations, but understanding their true capabilities and where they fit in the market is crucial. Scoro, as we've discussed, positions itself as an all-in-one work management software, particularly strong for professional service businesses that need to manage projects from initial client contact to final billing and profitability analysis. The question then naturally arises, what is the Scoro equivalent? This isn't a simple question with a single answer. To find a true equivalent, we need to look for software solutions that share Scoro's core philosophy of unifying multiple business functions, rather than just focusing on one area like basic project management. Scoro's strength lies in its comprehensive approach to professional services automation, PSA, integrating project management, financial management, quoting, invoicing, profitability, time tracking, resource management, and even some CRM functionalities. Therefore, a Scoro equivalent is generally another professional services automation, PSA, platform or a highly integrated work management/business operating system that caters specifically to the needs of agencies, consultancies, IT service providers, and other service-based businesses. These are tools designed to manage the entire quote-to-cash lifecycle, providing a single source of truth for all client-related work. Here are some of the leading contenders and their strengths, helping you understand what constitutes a Scoro equivalent. 1. Exelo. Exelo is often cited as a direct competitor and a strong Scoro equivalent. It, too, is built specifically for professional service businesses, offering a comprehensive suite that covers sales and CRM, managing leads, proposals, and client communications, projects, detailed project planning, task management, and workflow automation, time and expenses, robust time tracking, expense logging, and approval workflows, billing and invoicing, flexible invoicing options, fixed price, time and materials, recurring retainers, and financial reporting. Retainers, specifically designed to manage ongoing client engagements and recurring revenue. Why it's an equivalent? Exelo mirrors Scoro's ambition to be an all-in-one platform for service businesses, focusing heavily on automating the entire client lifecycle to improve efficiency and profitability. 2. Cantata Professional Services Cloud, formerly MavenLink plus Kimball. Cantata is a formidable player in the PSA space, formed from the merger of two well-established platforms, MavenLink and Kimball. It's particularly strong for larger professional services organizations with complex resource management and financial needs. Resource management, highly advanced capabilities for resource planning, forecasting, and utilization. Project management, comprehensive tools for project planning, execution, and tracking. Financial management, robust financial features, including budgeting, forecasting, revenue recognition, and billing. Business intelligence, powerful analytics and reporting to provide deep insights into business performance. Why it's an equivalent? Cantata aims for the same holistic business management as Scoro, but often targets larger enterprises with more intricate requirements for resource optimization and financial control. 3. BigTime. BigTime is another robust PSA solution, particularly popular among accounting, consulting, and engineering firms. Its strength lies in its focus on profitability and granular control over project financials. Time and expense tracking, highly accurate and flexible time and expense tracking, crucial for billable hours. Invoicing and billing, customizable invoicing tailored to various billing models, including progress billing and retainers. Project management, tools for project planning, task management, and budget versus actual tracking. Resource management, features to optimize resource allocation and utilization. Reporting and analytics, strong reporting capabilities for profitability analysis, utilization rates, and project performance. Why it's an equivalent? BigTime shares Scoro's emphasis on connecting project delivery to financial outcomes, making it a powerful tool for profitability-driven service businesses. 4. Productive.io. Productive.io is gaining traction as a modern, agency-focused PSA tool. It emphasizes simplicity and intuitive design while still offering a comprehensive feature set. Sales and CRM manage leads, clients, and sales pipelines. Project management plan projects, track tasks, and collaborate with teams. Time tracking and budgeting accurate time tracking and real-time budget versus actual monitoring. Resource planning visual resource scheduling and workload management. Invoicing and reporting streamlined invoicing and detailed financial and operational reports. Why it's an equivalent? Productive.io offers a very similar all-in-one experience to Scoro, specifically tailored for agencies and service firms, with a focus on usability. Beyond direct equivalents, the broader landscape. While the above are direct PSA equivalents, other tools can replicate parts of Scoro's functionality or serve as alternatives if your primary need leans more heavily on one specific area. Project management powerhouses, e.g., ClickUp, Monday.com, Rike, Asana, Teamwork. These tools offer incredibly robust project and task management, strong collaboration features, and often time tracking. Many have integrations with accounting software. While they handle the project part exceptionally well, they typically don't have built-in comprehensive financial management, quoting, invoicing, granular profitability analysis, or advanced CRM/sales pipeline features like Scoro. You'd likely need to integrate them with separate accounting or CRM systems. ERP/business suites, e.g. Zoho One, Odoo, Microsoft Dynamics 365 project operations. These are broader enterprise solutions that include PSA functionalities. Zoho One, for instance, offers a vast array of interconnected apps. While they can perform similar functions to Scoro, they might be overkill or require more extensive setup for smaller professional service firms compared to a purpose-built PSA. Choosing your Scoro equivalent. When looking for a Scoro equivalent, consider the following. Your business type. Are you a professional service firm, agency, consultancy, IT services? If so, a dedicated PSA like Exilo, Cantata, BigTime, or Productive.io will be your closest equivalents. Breadth of integration. Do you truly need sales, project management, resource planning, time tracking, and invoicing all in one platform? Or are you content with separate tools integrated together? Specific feature needs. Drill down into the specifics. How critical are real-time profitability insights? How complex is your resource allocation? Do you need highly customizable invoicing? Scalability. Consider your growth plans. Will the chosen software scale with your team and project volume? Budget. PSA tools tend to be more expensive than pure project management tools due to their comprehensive nature.